which is in Malini, between Sunshine Coast and Brisbane, from around 66 kilometers away from our home, Griffin. So excited to see the falls. I think that's the only nearest falls from our home. So yeah, unplanned trip. So getting there to Gardner Falls, okay, it is located at the end of OB Lane South in Malini, and we have to drive from Steve Irwin Way at Landsborough, head up to Malini Street, which becomes the Landsborough-Malini Road. We have to take Route 23 and follow it for 12 kilometers until we see the sign of Gardner Falls at the OB Lane South. And the car park is at the end of OB Lane, about 1 kilometer. So let's get there. So talking about Steve Irwin, he's probably one of the most popular Australians to have ever lived, and the impact of his life's work has been felt all over the world. And he's definitely called as an Australian crocodile hunter, but no, he was doing a good job in saving the animals actually. So yeah, it's very good to remember him on this occasion. So to the right you can see Queensland's biggest zoo, built by late Steve Irwin and his wife Terry, and most popular amongst tourists of all ages. Yep. సో ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్లో కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దీన్ని గ్లాస్ హౌస్ మౌంటైన్స్ అంటారు, ఫేమస్ టూరిస్ట్ అట్రాక్షన్. సో ఇలా 12 ఇండివిజువల్ మౌంటైన్స్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫరెంట్గా ఒక గ్లాస్ లా కనిపిస్తుంది. సో యాక్చువల్లీ దీన్ని కనిపెట్టింది మన జేమ్స్ కుక్ అనమాట. హీఈస్ ద ఫౌండర్ అగైన్, మన ఆస్ట్రేలియన్ గ్రేట్ బ్యారియర్ రీఫ్ ఇవన్నీ ఫౌండ్ చేసిన ఆయనే. సో ఆయన పేరు మీద ఉన్న కాలేజ్లోనే మా ఆయన చదివాడు. సో ఐఎమ్ సో ప్రౌడ్. సో యా, ఐఎమ్ సో ఎక్సైటెడ్. ఆల్రెడీ ఒకసారి వెళ్ళాను, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ వెళ్తున్నా గార్డెన్ ఫాల్స్కి. సో దాంట్లో చాలా హ్యాపీగా, క్లైమేట్ చాలా బాగుంది. అండ్ యా, yay, here is Gardner Falls board. So we are taking right, as I said earlier, it is at the OB Lane South and probably heading for car park. Yep, so finally we are here. So we are at the car park right now, and the falls is just right. You can see there, it's starting from there. And talking about car park, the spots are very less, just maybe less than 20, and you have to be as early as possible to park there. So here my husband is scolding me for being late because we woke up late, and as usual it takes a lot of time to get ready and all the stuff. So yeah. Oh, they're definitely the walkway. It's easy to get to. I can see heaps of rock pools, and the water is cool and refreshing. There is a reason it's popular, and the best part is it's for all ages, the trekking, and you don't need to get the hiking boots and all the stuff for the trekking because it is not necessary over here. And yeah, it's a very short walk. Any ages, even pregnant women can come and happily, cross the path to this side creek, and you can see the waterfall. Go get your swimmers, everything, because you can see the water level is not so deep because we didn't have any swimmers there, and it's an unplanned trip because we are not getting into the water right now. And yeah, it's a clear water and also fresh. So and to the end I can see some rope swings. So yeah. So as I told you already, this is extending about kilometers. So we are in the middle of it, and there I can see the end part. So probably we'll go there. I'm gonna go there. Actually, I can see some people over there. So that's the pool out there. Is the ending point. So I probably can't go there because some of the men are drinking. So
yeah, it's not so cool. And yeah, so this is probably not the tallest or something kind of waterfalls. So it's a steep waterfalls, low steep waterfalls. It's so beautiful and so fascinating because there we need a getaway for sure from the city, from the busy life or whatever. So any such places like this gives a refreshment and start over for the next day. Yeah, so from the routine busy life, I think this is a good getaway and a hinterland, and probably people will enjoy and hopefully it will be good. Country chickens. Yeah. Nice for dinner. No way. So talking about facilities nearby, of course there are public toilets in the car park, and we didn't find any places to eat nearby. If just comment below. And I can definitely see Spices Tamarind Retreat. It's a little way downstream with a spa, cooking, everything. So as I said earlier, if you want to get a 3-day holiday or something like that, you can just spend your time there. And actually, if you want to swim, get your swimmers, or you can just roll up the pants and enjoy a splash in a little rock pool. And this is a great spot for a family picnic. There are several picnic tables along the way, or you can spread your rug on one of the large rock formations and enjoy a picnic right by the water's edge. So don't forget to carry insect repellents and do watch for animals. Meet you guys with another beautiful video. Signing off from this Gardner's Falls. Thank you. Bye. Say bye. Bye. So, while going home from Gardner Falls, we actually saw a board saying Baroon Pocket Dam and Lake Baroon. So, we thought of coming here and see the location is so beautiful. We didn't expect the lake to be this beautiful, but so long as well. And this wow, the clear waters, the flow. You can see the dam. So that is the reason it's called pocket dam, because it's really like a small pocket, of course. So not like any other dam. So you can listen to the birds chirping, and so cool. So it says Conalla National Falls is near. Actually, we have already been there, so this is surprising for us. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. That ends the video. Had a great day today visiting Gardner Falls and Lake Baroon. We'll come up with another beautiful video. Thanks to you all. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.